Hello friends, how you doing? JJ here. Well, today we are in Vitorios. It's a nice restaurant here in Puebla. Okay, and today I'm going to teach you how to order some food in English, of course. So stay with me. Welcome to the video by Rhea. This is for real life. Let's roll out. So we ordered the pizza today. This is our pizza, and now I'm going to ask for some Parmesan cheese. And maybe, no, we got ketchup here. So I'm gonna just order Parmesan cheese. So hi, how you doing? Good? Okay, could you give me some Parmesan cheese, please? Yeah, thank you. What's your name? You're so nice. You're going to appear in my videos, okay? Okay, thank you. Could you give me more Parmesan, please? Oh, coming? Thank you. Could you give me the menu, please? Thank you. How big is the tiramisu? That's a small one? Can you what?
You can share it if you want.
Can you split it?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
Because it's a cup.
It's a small one. That's a cup. Oh, get me one, please.
There's one?
Just one. Yeah, because she doesn't want any dessert. Thank you. Just one. Yeah. Could you get me the bill, please? The bill. Yeah, please. Thank you. We're gonna pay with credit card. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Is that okay for you if I tip you by cash? Yeah, it's okay. Thanks, Vivian. You did a great job. Good night. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you. Bye. Well, friends, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Couldn't talk too much because she was kind of busy, but it was a great video. Okay. See you next time. Bye.